So if you have React refers to a UMD global issue in your Next.js application, especially you are using Deno, here is how you fix it. Simply go and add React from React and it is completely gone. There we go. Yep. Here's another issue you might have after you fix the React stuff is this. Cannot find image. Image cannot be used as JS component. So if we add this, I believe we can copy this. Even if we copy the image, it still have the same issue. No clue why. By the way, I'm using, there we go. I'm using this. So I'm not sure if I need to fix it by using Deno package something. But from the Deno documentation, they say it works with current Next.js version, so... Whoop, no clue. Seems like it doesn't work.